Hi, I'm Marty Sexton. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to connect your Apple devices using native AirPlay to Polycom Pano to share virtually anything from your tablet, your PC, or your smartphone. Let's look and see how a MacBook is used. On the Mac toolbar, simply move your cursor to the AirPlay icon. Select your Pano device. Enter the secure PIN shown on the large monitor, and your screen is immediately cast to Polycom Pano connected monitor. Now let's see what it looks like on the iPhone. Simply swipe up from the bottom, select AirPlay mirroring, select your Pano, enter the security PIN presented on the Pano monitor, press OK. Now your screen is immediately cast to Polycom Pano and the connected display. Users can cast up to 4 sources with any combination of Miracast and AirPlay-enabled devices. Thank you, and please join me again for more informative videos about Polycom Pano.